Welcome. Looking for something?
Yes, I need dress shoes.
For a special event?
A wedding tomorrow.
These black leather ones are classic.
They look very nice.
What size do you wear?
Size 10.
Let me get those for you.
Thank you. They fit perfectly.
Very handsome. But wait,
What is wrong?
your pants are very long.
Oh, I did not notice that.
They are covering your shoes.
That does not look good.
You need a tailor to shorten them.
Do you know a good tailor?
Clean and Fit on Pine Street.
Do they work on Saturdays?
Yes, they open at 8.
I also need to check my wife's dress.
Is there a problem with her dress?
Maybe it has old stains.
Clean and Fit does dry cleaning too.
Perfect. I will go there tomorrow.
Good morning. I need help quickly.
Hello, welcome to Clean and Fit.
I have a wedding today. This is my dress.
Let me see. Oh, that is a wine stain.
Yes, it is from last year.
Old wine stains are very hard to remove.
Can you try? The wedding is at 5 today.
5 o'clock. That is very tight.
Do you have same-day express service?
Yes, it is $20 extra.
I will pay the extra fee.
What kind of fabric is this?
It is silk, very delicate.
I will use gentle chemicals for silk.
Will the chemicals damage the color?
No, we have tested them many times.
How sure are you about the stain?
90% sure. Old stains are tricky.
Please do your best.
I promise it will be ready by 3 o'clock.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, my suit pants are too long.
Let me see them. Put them on first.
The fitting room is over there?
Yes, behind the blue curtain.
Okay, I will change now.
Come stand on this wooden box when ready.
Here I am. Look how long they are.
They are covering your shoes completely.
I want them just above the shoe.
Let me fold and pin the fabric.
How many inches do you need to cut?
About 2.5 inches on each leg.
Will the new hem look clean?
Yes, I will sew it with a hidden stitch.
Can you finish it by this afternoon?
Yes, come back at 2 o'clock.
How much for the hemming?
$15 for both legs.
That is very reasonable. Thank you.
You will look very sharp at the wedding.
I hope so. See you at 2.
Hello. I need a wedding gift.
Welcome. The wedding is today?
Yes, at 5 o'clock this afternoon.
We have many popular wedding gifts here.
What do most people buy?
Photo frames, candles, and wine glasses.
I like the idea of wine glasses.
We have a crystal set of 2 glasses.
Can you put their names on the glasses?
Yes, we can engrave names in 20 minutes.
The bride's name is Emma. The groom is Jack.
Emma and Jack. Very romantic names.
How much is the crystal set with engraving?
$45 for the set.
Do you have gift wrapping?
Yes, gold paper or silver paper.
Gold paper, please. It is a wedding.
I will also add a white ribbon bow.
That sounds perfect.
It will be ready in 20 minutes.
I will wait. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Emma will love this gift.
Good morning. What can I get you? 2 large hot coffees, please. Cream and sugar?
Cream in both, sugar in one.
Which one gets the sugar?
Mine. My wife drinks hers without sugar.
I will mark the cups for you.
Thank you. We are waiting for our clothes.
At Clean and Fit next door?
Yes, a dress and some pants.
They do great work there.
We have a wedding at 5 today.
Are you a guest?
Yes, my wife's best friend is the bride.
That is so special. Your coffees are ready.
How much for both?
$7 total.
Here is a 10. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day at the wedding.
Thank you. The coffee tastes great.
Hi, David. Is my dress ready?
Yes, come see. You will be very happy.
Where is the wine stain? I cannot see it.
It is completely gone.
How did you do that?
I used a special treatment for old wine stains.
You are a miracle worker.
The silk looks like new. Soft and shiny.
It smells fresh too.
We pressed it with a gentle steam iron.
Not a single wrinkle anywhere.
I also wrapped it in a garment bag.
Thank you. What about my husband's pants?
Linda finished the hemming at 2 o'clock.
Are they the right length now?
Perfect length, just above the shoe.
How much do I owe for everything?
Dry cleaning with Express is $30.
And the hemming is $15?
Your total is $45.
Here is $50 in cash.
Your change is $5. Here is your claim slip.
We have 2 hours before the wedding.
Let me put on my suit first.
The pants fit perfectly now.
Linda did an amazing job.
No more dragging on the floor.
I look like a new man.
Now let me put on my dress.
The blue color is so bright and clean.
Not a single stain, like brand new silk.
David is a true professional.
Can you zip the back for me?
Done. You look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you. Which tie are you wearing?
The dark blue one, to match your dress.
We will be the best looking couple.
I agree. Let me fix my hair.
Use some gel. Push it to the side.
Like this?
Very handsome.
Do we have the wedding gift?
Yes, the crystal glasses are in the gold bag.
Perfect. Let's go. We do not want to be late.
Kevin, I have not seen you in years.
Sarah, you look amazing tonight.
Thank you. How have you been?
Great. I just came back from Hawaii.
Hawaii. That sounds wonderful.
The beaches were so beautiful.
How many days did you stay?
7 days. We rented a beach house.
Tom and I want to travel more.
You should try Maui. Amazing hiking.
What else is new with you?
We just renovated our kitchen.
Really? We want to do that too.
New countertops make a big difference.
Was it very expensive?
Not bad. We found a good contractor.
I also love your new car outside.
The blue SUV? Just got it last month.
It looks perfect for road trips.
It is great for camping too.
Cheers to old friends.
Cheers.
What an amazing day.
I am so tired, but so happy.
The wedding was beautiful.
The food was delicious too.
I ate too many chocolate desserts.
Me too, and too much cake.
I am so glad the stain came out.
If it did not, you would have no dress.
I know. David saved the day.
And Linda fixed my pants just in time.
We should always take our nice clothes there.
I agree, they are fast and professional.
How much did we spend today?
Dry cleaning was 30, hemming was 15,
The wedding gift was $45.
and coffee was 7.
So about $100 total.
A busy and expensive Saturday.
But totally worth it.
Emma and Jock looked so happy.
I wish them a wonderful life together.
Me too. Now let's go home and sleep.
Good idea. Drive slowly. I am sleepy.
Close your eyes. I will wake you up at home.